Hello, my name is Stephen Richards, and I'm the owner of Anvil Panow Creations. And this is my brand new cryptocurrency auto invest app. It's just a prototype, but I sure do want it to be a really working app. And with your $4,500, this app can be a reality. This app generates income automatically with just one initial investment of $100. It does not need any more funds added, but you certainly can add more funds to it anytime you want with the Add More Funds feature. You can add up to $50,000 at a time, but that doesn't mean it stops there. You can add more $50,000 increments at any time, and you can use USA banking methods, checking and savings, routing number, account number, quick pay methods, credit debit card, mobile money, local banking, bank transfer, cryptocurrency, QR wallets, and a variety of global methods, global credit debit cards, bank transfers, mobile money, cryptocurrency, local banking, and QR code wallets. So it's a worldwide method of making easy money that anybody can utilize at any time. And it varies the withdrawal earnings in sync with the total earnings. As you can see in the withdrawal earnings button, the earnings are changing right along with the total earnings. And that way, when you withdraw a certain percentage of your total earnings by scrolling the bar under withdrawal percentage to the right, all the way up to 100% if you want, and then select your method of withdrawal: USA banking, checking, savings, routing number, account number, or a variety of global methods: mobile money, digital wallets, local payment systems, cryptocurrency, international wire, QR code payments, and confirm your withdrawal method. Then you can click the withdraw button, and rest assured that the amount you have withdrawn and will deposit immediately into your bank account is exactly the total earnings available at that very moment. So in that way, there isn't going to be some kind of a problem with withdrawing your money and depositing it and using it right away. There's not a delay with this app. You don't have to wait 1 day or 3 days or anything. It will deposit your money right away because it's in sync with your total earnings available at any given moment in time. As you can see, I have not even completed 1 day of investments yet with my initial amount of $100, and I've already made more than $1,000 in less than 1 day. Now, after 2 days of investments, I will start having a daily return over there in the third column, giving me my average per day. I've already reached my first target of 10%, and now my performance will always be higher than my initial 10% target. Also, this app has an online syncing with the server. As you can see in the yellow box under your investment dashboard, it has a Sync Now button, and that allows the app to work at any time, whether the app is closed or open, whether your accounts are logged in or logged out, even whether your device is on or off. The app will continue generating the same amount of income it would if you were watching it. So it stays on and working continuously at all times. It never reverts the earnings back to zero unless you decide to withdraw the earnings at any time. And as soon as you withdraw them, it will start earning again right away using your portfolio value that will not change. So I am hoping somebody can sacrifice $4,500. You can give it to me and I will forward it to my developers and the famous .ai website. That's the website that I used to create this prototype. My cryptocurrency auto invest app can be anybody's app to use to make easy money anytime. And you don't have to know anything about investing to use it. All you have to know is the basic ways of using a computer. You don't have to know programming or coding or anything. Just simple computer methods, and you just need $100 to invest. If you can use a computer in the basic ways of simple clicking and scrolling and logging on and logging off, then you can make easy money with this app. And I will show you how the withdrawal earnings functions work, but I'm not going to withdraw a whole lot, so I can keep showing you how $100 is going to keep working to make a lot of money. So I'll just withdraw the least amount I can. So I'll scroll down, withdraw percentage bar to the smallest amount I can, and it looks like I can get about $12 minimum to withdraw. So I'll go ahead and do that, so I won't change the example going on all that much. So I'll just type in some arbitrary numbers for my routing number and account number, because this is just a prototype and it's not really going to change any of my money. And then I'll click the withdrawal, and as you can see, that percentage of the total earnings is showing a change going on because the total earnings is constantly adjusting to the investment. So I'll click withdraw, and at that moment it was $12.19. So I withdrew that much from my total earnings. Now that didn't really change it very much, so I'm still making plenty of money. And I'll also show you the add more functions feature, but I'm not going to add a lot. I'll just add $1, so I won't be changing the example of how much $100 can earn very much. $1 isn't really going to change it very much. And then I'll click US banking again. This time I'll show you how the savings account can work. So again, I'll just type in some more arbitrary numbers for the routing and the account number. And then when that, oh, it says the minimum is $10. Okay, that's why it wasn't highlighted. So now I'll click and $10 and add those funds to my portfolio value. So now it has adjusted a little bit, but that's close enough to $100 to show you how much you can make with your required investment amount of at least $100. So again, $4,500 is not a lot of money for something like this incredible app that gives you the chance to make easy money all the time without doing anything. You can go away, you can go on a vacation, and it's still going to be earning you money anytime, anywhere. All you have to have is a personal computer or a tablet or smartphone. You can carry your smartphone with you and collect your earnings anywhere in the world. So you're not going to be without money with this app, and all it needs is $100, but it needs $4,500 from somebody very special and helpful who understands that this app is going to revolutionize the world and end poverty worldwide. Let's make this app a reality. Pay me or my developers and the DLM.com website. I have a link that you can use to directly pay my developers the $4,500, or you can pay me and I'll forward it to them. Don't wait. Let's make this revolution happen. Pay $4,500 to me or my developers right now